Hello friends, my name is Rohan, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to create API integration keys for Magento to Akeneo Connector. So as you all know, Magento to Akeneo Connector is a module that allows you to sync product information from Akeneo to Magento store. So after downloading this module, you need to create like 4 types of API keys, and in this video I will show you how to create them. So first, log into your Magento admin panel, then go to System, Integrations. As you can see, I have already created an API integration for Akeneo, but I will create another one. Add new integration. Enter any name, key connector. You don't have to fill all these details, you just have to enter your password, then go to API, then here you need to select first the catalog, then inventory, products, categories. Okay, then go down below, select stores, settings already selected, currency, is already selected, attributes, then you need to also select other settings. Okay, already selected. Okay, perfect. Now simply click save. Okay, so it is created. Now you need to click activate. Just check what all integrations permissions you need to approve. Click allow. And here you go, you will find your keys for Akeneo Connector. So these keys need to be entered in Akeneo. So I will go to my Akeneo platform. So here's my Akeneo platform. Make sure you have installed Magento to Akeneo Connector in Akeneo. This is the menu option. Then go to this option. Host name, basically you have to enter your Magento store URL, and then you need to enter consumer key, consumer secret, access token secret, which you have created here. So after you have copied everything, just simply click save and you are good to go. Okay, thank you.